Easy and delicious coconut rice recipe you need to try today, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can make this perfect coconut rice recipe. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make amazing recipes. First off, in a pot, you're just going to add your oil to this, and then we're just going to add our onion, allow it to saute for a bit, and then we're going to add our ginger and garlic powder, and then we're still going to stir this and allow it to sit between 1 to 2 minutes on a medium heat. And then we're just going to go in with our washed rice. Mind you, this rice is a Nigerian rice, it is not basmati rice. So we're just going to fry this rice between 5 to 6 minutes on a medium heat. While we're doing that, we're just going to add our seasoning cube to taste, and then we're just going to mix this. I will always advise you to do this on a medium/a low heat because you don't want your rice to get burnt. After 5 minutes, we're just going to add our coconut milk to this. Mind you, I used 3 cans of this coconut milk. So I'm just going to stir together, make sure it is well and properly combined. So after stirring this, we're just going to cover this and allow it to get cooked. And this took between 20 to 25 minutes on a medium heat. While you're boiling your rice, you don't need to put your heat on high, just a medium heat so your rice can get cooked properly. And this is after 17 to 18 minutes. I had to check my rice. I stirred it together, and then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to simmer because we don't need moist in our rice. Next step is to add another pot, that's our fry pan or any other pot. I added a little bit of oil, then I added my pepper mix, that's my grated pepper, onion, ginger and garlic to it. Allow it to sit between 2 to 3 minutes. Then I added my carrots to this. The carrot is diced. Allowed it to sit for 1 minute. Next step is my green bell peppers and yellow bell peppers. Then I'm just going to stir this again. I added a little bit of seasoning cube because our rice is already sweet. So I added just a little bit of this. Then I stirred it together. Next step is to add our coconut flakes. This is fresh grated coconuts. This way it's going to elevate the taste of the rice, and it's just going to give it that little bit of that crunchiness. So at this stage, our rice has no moist in it. In order for you to achieve the perfect rice, make sure your rice does not have any moist in it. So I'm just going to add our vegetables to this, and all we have to do is just to stir this until it is well and properly combined. After mixing this and I've gotten the perfect consistency, I'm just going to cover this and allow it to simmer between 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, we're just going to open our rice and then add a little bit of spring onion, and then we're just going to stir it again. And at this stage, our rice is ready. All we have to do is just to serve. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.